The Lawndale story starts with this crazy idea with high school kids back in 1978. At that time, the physician-to-population ratio was 7 times the national crisis level. Almost 30 babies died in that first year of life out of 1,000. We had what we would call a listening meeting. What are some of the needs in the community? Well, a lot of things made the chalkboard. Things like health care, legal care, education, violence. I mean, just about any problem you think about in an urban community was on that list. I said, is there anything on there that we could do? And they said, let's pray and think about opening a medical clinic.
The clinic started in September 1984. The first day, actually, I saw quite a few people. It was still under construction, like the gym wasn't even built. It was a big hole in the ground. Of course, the clinic was very primitive. We had to draw our own blood. We actually took x-rays, and we actually kind of had our own little pharmacy.
I think as we've grown and seen what some of the other felt needs in the community are, that there's a lot that can be done from a more holistic point of view, and I think that's what the fitness center grew out of.
I was ill when I was young. When I went to see the doctor was behind a brick wall and talked to me through a window. But when I came to the health center, I'm like, whoa, is this healthcare? This is what it's supposed to feel like? The provider prayed with me, physically gave me an exam that I never had. And it was just so refreshing. They really worked with me and educated me and didn't look down on me.
The staff of the health center are committed to make a difference in our community. It's about living out what we talk about, loving God and loving people.
Our goal is to bring better health. And over the last 30 years, God has allowed us to grow considerably. We've taken this model that we love here on Ogden Avenue and we've placed it in a variety of new communities. We're excited about each of these neighborhoods and becoming part of them. We're a model of possibility. People can begin to say, hey, what can we do in our community somewhere across America? If you think over the 30 years, our ministry started with very few people, but they had a dream, they had a vision, and just one thing built on another.
From where we've come to where we are now, I couldn't envision that. Where we may go, the sky's the limit.